Let's practice the case where the absolute value of u is greater than a number. What does the rule say? Absolute value of x is greater than or equal to 2. Well, the numbers that win here are the numbers that are already greater than or equal to 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Of course, if you stick a negative 2, negative 3, negative 10 in here, you also have a winning number. So you have to remember that absolute value of x greater than or equal to 2 means outside x is greater than or equal to 2, or quite the opposite, x is less than or equal to negative 2. The equal sign means I include these border points, but the answer has got to be outside two values. Absolute value of 5x plus 2 greater than 13. That means that 5x plus 2 is greater than 13 already, or 5x plus 2 is less than minus 13. It's got to be two separate pieces. It's got to include the word or. I subtract 2 from both sides in both these cases. I divide both sides by 5 in both these cases. And I have my two winning regions. Either x is less than minus 3 or x is greater than 11 over 5. This time I do not include the border points because I didn't have an equal sign in my problem. Let's look at something a little bit messier. 3 minus 2 times absolute value 1 minus x less than negative 7. What's this less than doing here? Isn't that the previous rule? Well, pay attention. You have to isolate the absolute value first. So if I subtract 3 from both sides and divide both sides by minus 2, notice I have to reverse the inequality. This is absolute value of u greater than n. This is the outside case. So the absolute value of 1 minus x greater than 5 means 1 minus x is greater than 5 already, or less than negative 5. Watch that negative sign on the x. I'll subtract 1 from both sides in both of these smaller problems, but then when I divide by negative 1 to isolate my x, notice I have to reverse the inequalities. I still have an outside answer. Either x is less than negative 4 or x is greater than 6. In each case, the answer is outside, or outside and including two border points. Think in two pieces. You have to use the word or, and you have to have two separate pieces in your answer.